The highest-rated reward apps usually have one thing in common. Users consistently report that earning and redeeming rewards feels straightforward instead of confusing. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that continue to receive strong user feedback and what makes each one worth considering. The first app is Fetch Rewards. Many users like it because earning rewards is simple. You scan eligible shopping receipts, collect points, and redeem them for available rewards. There are no complicated game mechanics, making it a good option if you already shop regularly. Second is Misplay. Android gamers often rate it highly because it rewards people for playing supported mobile games. The app tracks your gameplay, unlocks rewards as you continue playing, and regularly introduces new games to keep the experience fresh. The third recommendation is Rewarded Play. Like Misplay, it focuses on mobile gaming instead of surveys or shopping receipts. Users appreciate that they can discover new games while working toward gift card rewards. If you already spend time playing games on your phone, the earning process feels natural. Fourth is Swagbucks. It's one of the most established rewards platforms because it offers several earning methods in one place. You can complete surveys, shop through cashback offers, play supported games, or finish promotional tasks. Having multiple options means you're not limited to one type of activity if something isn't available. The fifth app is FreeCash. Users often choose it because it brings together surveys, app testing, game offers, and promotional tasks in a single platform. Instead of relying on one earning method, you can switch between available offers depending on what fits your schedule. One thing to remember is that a high user rating doesn't mean every experience will be identical. Availability of offers, supported payout methods, and eligible tasks can vary depending on your country and your account. Checking those details before signing up helps set realistic expectations. It's also worth reading recent user reviews instead of only looking at the overall rating. Recent feedback usually gives a better picture of how the app is performing today and whether updates have improved or changed the experience. To recap, Fetch Rewards is a strong choice for shoppers. Misplay and Rewarded Play are ideal for mobile gamers, and Swagbucks and FreeCash offer several different ways to earn rewards through one account. Start with the app that matches what you already do most often, whether that's shopping, gaming, or completing surveys. You'll usually have a better experience when the earning method fits your daily routine. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps available in 2026.